Hello and welcome to another Forge tutorial, and today we're going to be servicing the FMDVBM35. After you have removed your valves from your vehicle, we need to disassemble the valve. So top tip on this, which our very good assembly boys told me how to do this: grab the pipework that comes with the valve, because we need to undo this part of the base on the valve. If you put the silicone pipe on there and do it up with the hose clamp, you can twist the base off like so. So it makes it much more straightforward. You go here and just wind it out, and then we need to remove the piston. So to remove the piston, easiest way, long nose pliers, just pull the piston out like so, while you're there, the spring. Now inside the body of the valve there are two O-rings which we're going to need to remove. Now long nose pliers or some tweezers probably going to be a bit easier, but it is a bit of a fiddle because they're quite far down. So actually at this stage it's probably going to be easier to clean out the body of the valve first. So you could use clutch cleaner, brake cleaner, clean out as much of the grease as you can for now, and we can see the O-rings a bit clearer. So just a case of picking them out like so, pick one like so. So that's that O-ring's removed. So the service kit required for this particular valve is FMDVSK FMDVBM35. So we get two new pistons, pot of grease, Forge Motorsport sticker, and the O-rings. In the bag of O-rings we get 4 slightly thicker O-rings, and we get 2 thin O-rings, and I'll show you what to do with those later on. So for now, the larger diameter O-rings, we need 2 per valve, and they're going to replace the O-rings we just removed. So for this, it will be a case of just pushing the O-ring into the body of the valve and then feeding it into the slot, and it will go in quite nicely. And same again, so we've got the bottom one, so again, so that's both O-rings now installed into the body of the valve. Now at this stage we need to take the grease. Now Forge, we recommend using gloves for this bit. Fingers worth of grease on here, and just smother it on the inside over the O-rings and up the body where the piston's going to travel. Same with the piston, I always just put a little bit on the piston as well. So that's ready now for reassembly. So I'm going to take the glove off now. I'm going to drop the spring back in, and then drop the piston back into the body, like so. Now, so at this stage we're going to fit our final O-ring for this valve. So just pop that off there. And grab one of the new thinner O-rings, so these the thickness is slightly thinner than the other two. And now grab the body and the top and screw that together, and again apply your hose with a hose clamp and just twist it back together so it's hand tight. With the valve back together, to make sure that we've got no leaks in our valve, push the piston down with our finger, like so. Put your other finger over the end of the vac port and then let go. And now we can confirm that this is holding nice and tightly. So that's this valve complete. Follow the same process for the other valve, and then your servicing of this kit is now all complete.